First Lady and Reverend say that 22 families want to adopt.
Yes.
The whole town wants kids now.
That's about right. But the training's a problem. Most folks can't make it out this way, so we're hoping that you can do the classes at the church instead.
Yes.
Yeah?
Of course. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
I will get baptized for 22 families.
She would. We're also here to ask to take in another child.
Really? Mm-hmm. Things are going that well with Mercedes and Tyler?
Yeah, well, it really don't matter how things are going. And I got to ask the kids. We want the ones that don't nobody else want.
Oh, well, we definitely need help with intensive level or older kids. What about the Santiago boys or Terry?
Oh, Terry, Jo Beth. No.
Who's Terry?
Terry is a 12-year-old girl who's been in care for 3 years. She is with a good family now, but they just gave notice. It's been tough finding permanent placement.
We'll take her.
Reverend First Lady, I want this to be a good experience for you. There are so many other kids that would be much easier to handle.
Well, we'll let somebody else take care of those children.
No, Terry is not a good fit. All these people that you say are watching you. What happens when it doesn't work out with Terry? I see a lot of children coming back to me.
Susan, this is something that we must do. Mm-hmm. You understand?
Religious guilt can't fix a broken child's heart.
Love can. Real, determined love.